How to fix Facebook not working on iPhone. So first of all, check your network connection. If you are using your cellular data, make sure you have a good tower. Or if you're using your Wi-Fi, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. So after doing that, what you can do is simply scroll down through your control panel and then simply tap on your airplane mode. Just like this, turn it on, wait for a few seconds and again tap on it and turn it off. It will reset your network, and like that, if it is a network issue, it will be fixed. But if it's still not fixing the issue, then check for updates. Open your App Store. Then from here, tap on the search icon right here, then tap on the search bar right here, then start typing Facebook. Simply tap on the search bar right here, and then we have search Facebook. Here you can see, tap on it. Then if there are any kind of update requirement, there will be the button of update. Currently here you can see my Facebook does not need any update requirement. All you need to do is simply tap on update, and within few seconds, your Facebook will successfully be up to date. But even after updating, if it's still not working, then try to offload the application. For that, go back, open your settings. Then from your settings, scroll down, then tap on General. Then from here, tap on iPhone storage. And in here, what you're going to do is scroll down. Here you can see all of your applications. Keep scrolling and search for Facebook. Tap on it, and then you can see offload app. Tap on it, and then tap on offload app one more time. After doing that, here you can see we have successfully offloaded the application. Then tap on reinstall app one more time in order to reinstall it back on your phone. And just like that, here you can see we have successfully reinstalled it back on our phone. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure your Facebook will start working. But if it's still not working, then the final thing that you can do is try to force restart your iPhone. For that, quickly click on your volume up button, your volume down button, and keep clicking on your power on button until you see Apple logo. Then release the button, and within few minutes, your phone will successfully restart. And after doing all of these steps, I'm pretty sure your Facebook will start working on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.